How to fix Messenger notes not showing up in Android. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix Messenger notes not showing in Android device. So if you're unable to see the notes on Messenger, something like this. So when you open up your Messenger application, as you can see right on top, there is this option as share a thought. If you're unable to find this option, or if you're unable to see this sort of interface, then what you have to do is, in that case, first of all, you can try updating your Messenger application. So head over to your Play Store. On the search box, go ahead and type in Messenger, and when you locate Messenger, right on this page you should be able to see update button and update your application, and that should be able to fix your issue. After updating, log in into your account and check whether the note feature has been enabled or not. If you're still unable to fix it, then you can exit out of your Messenger application and then long press on it and go to app info page. While you're on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on permission first of all, and right on this page make sure that you've enabled all of these permissions such as calendar, contact, location, phone, camera, file, microphone, all that. And when you've done that, you should be able to find it. And while you're on the same page, you need to go to storage and cache and go ahead and click on clear cache as well as clear storage. Now this is going to log you out of your account, so you have to go and log in into your account one more time, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. And apart from it, you can also try restarting or uninstalling your Messenger application and reinstalling it, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. So in this way you can fix the Messenger notes not showing in Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.